In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Lovable account to GitHub and sync your projects. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, click the first link in the description to sign up with a new email and get 25 credits completely free. To start, look at the left sidebar of your dashboard and click on your organization name. Click the drop-down menu and go to Settings. Under the Build and Deploy section, click on the Git option. Here you will see the GitHub integration. Click on it, then click Add Connection. Below that, you will see an option to install the Lovable app on a new GitHub account. Before you click it, make sure you are already logged into your GitHub account in another tab, and this makes the whole setup much faster and smoother. Now, go back to Lovable, click Add Account, and the system will automatically detect your GitHub profile. Scroll down on the permissions page and click Install and Authorize. Wait a few seconds for the accounts to link. Now that your GitHub account is connected, let's sync your project. Go back to your dashboard and open the website or web app you want to sync. For this video, I am using a simple to-do list app I built for this demo. Click on your project name at the top left corner, open the drop-down menu, and click Settings again. Look under the Project tab, click on Git, and select the GitHub option. Now, you will see the option to connect your project to the GitHub account we just linked. Click Connect and wait a few seconds. Lovable will automatically create a brand new repository matching your app's name and push your entire codebase into it. Once it finishes, you can click View on GitHub to open your live repository and see all your files. But that is how you connect your account and sync your Lovable projects to GitHub. If you want to know how to get more free credits or how to connect a Supabase database to your project, just click on the video appearing on your screen right now.